Welcome back, traders. Welcome back to my unstockable trading YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be breaking down the SPX and something that I see again today onto tomorrow, and then we'll take a look at Nvidia, Amazon, and Apple. So in the SPX, there was a huge jump by 11, but at the end of the day, we're still in the downtrend. And like I called it yesterday, we were going to retest the point near the 200 days moving average. And once we retested that, if you see this candle right here, we rejected right away. So until tomorrow, if we try to do this again and then we fail, we are gonna come back down. That is very, very, very likely, because the resistance right here I drew yesterday in the video and ask you guys, hey, if we try to break this and we fail, we got gonna come back down, and that's what I did today. So if you got into a put at the end of the day, it's a good play for tomorrow, because there are still a lot of uncertainties on the trade wars, and people are not going to hold through the weekend. I promise you that everybody is gonna sell their position, at least half of it, by tomorrow before closing. So if you want to make a quick profit day trading tomorrow, my play for tomorrow is, if we have a spike up on the SPY or on the whatever text that you're looking at, 2 spikes, 3 spikes. The 2 spikes, I will get a put, and on 3 spikes, on the 3rd spike, I will average down my put. And then at the end of closing, from 3:30 p.m. Eastern time to 3:55 p.m. Eastern time, during that time range, people are going to sell their positions. So during that time, your puts will be on fire, and make sure you sell the puts. Make sure you have day trades available to sell the puts, because I don't want you to hold through the weekend, because anything can happen, literally anything. So let's take a look at our SPY. We are on point again. See this right here, we try to go up right here and we fail, and then we have a red candle forming. So tomorrow, yeah, I do believe we are going to come back right here. 271 is our next quick support, to come back within the 0.5, just shy of the 0.5 area on the Fibonacci level. So I am anticipating a red day tomorrow, most likely. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple is pretty strong after 11 a.m. because they have some kind of fake news, I call it, where Trump said, oh, there's going to be some great deal with China. All that noise, just ignore it. People look at it, they bought it back up, and there's a perfect time to stroll it back down. Let me tell you what I mean by that. So today we look at 1 day 5-minute chart. Starting here, when Trump tweeted it, we have a massive jump. Thursday, sorry. When Trump tweeted it around 11 a.m., we had a jump, and then just come back down. So all the noise he's creating on social media is just a noise to me. So people don't really care. For Apple, I am in the long term, I am looking at bounce to 185 or even 190. But every time we see a wick like that, it's not a good sign. It's not a bearish sign. If you see this right here, it's not a good bullish sign, and you see a wick down here, it's not a good bearish sign. So tomorrow, based on the technical analysis, Apple is gonna come back down, and it's gonna trade in this range right here. This is the range I'm looking at with Apple. So it should be hopefully tomorrow it will touch 177 to 176. That's my outlook on Apple. I'm not too much of a big fan of Apple, because of the XR sales are not that great, but who knows what the trade war is gonna bring to Apple. And next time we look at Amazon. For Amazon, like I pointed out yesterday, we are going to have a retest to the next channel, and then we see right here, this candle right here, We failed at 1690 when it came way back down. So I called this out yesterday. I didn't play this because it's not much money to be made. So if you're still holding your call position, lock your profit, because we are going to have a wild ride to the downside tomorrow within this point 236 area, right? I mean, sorry, 0.382 area right here. So I'm looking at tomorrow. Amazon could be at 1640. So I'm gonna draw a line at 1640 just for it to bounce right here. On to the next one, we'll take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia was, like I said yesterday, this green candle does not tell me a very bullish signal. So what happened today? Nvidia, we had a red day. Since market are rebounding today a little bit, so this red candle wasn't as much as I anticipated, but tomorrow it's going to be more even red for Nvidia. So if I think 2 people got puts on Nvidia in my Discord group, so tomorrow it will be the time to lock your profit, because I don't want you guys to hold through the weekend. And feel free to join my Discord group. I'll post a link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.